Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we are diving into a company that just changed its name, which is like giving your dog a new haircut and hoping it wins best in show. Let's see if this new name means real change or just a cosmetic upgrade. Node Scroll, United States Securities and Exchange Commission. There's Node Scroll. Today we are looking at an 8K form filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission by T1 Energy Inc. This document is called a current report and it's used to tell investors about major events that could affect the company. The most recent event happened on February 18th, 2025. The company used to be called FREYR Battery Inc., but now it's T1 Energy Inc. They changed their name. This is a pretty big deal, so they had to let everyone know by filing this report. Scroll item 503, amendments to articles of incorporation or bylaws, change in fiscal year, Syscroll. The company changed its name to T1 Energy Inc. They did this by making an amendment, which is a change to their official company documents, the amended and restated certificate of incorporation. This change was filed on February 18, 2025. The new name became official on February 19, 2025. Syscroll, Section 242 of the General Corporation Law of the State of Delaware, Syscroll. The company's leaders, the board of directors, approved the name change. They didn't need to ask the shareholders, the people who own stock in the company, for permission. This is because of something called Section 242 of the General Corporation Law of Delaware, which is where the company is officially located. This law says they don't always need shareholder approval for changes like this. The name change won't affect the value of the stock or how people can trade it. Syscroll. Second amended and restated bylaws. This scroll. Along with the name change, the company also updated its second amended and restated bylaws. Bylaws are like the rules for running the company. The only change was the company name. Everything else in the bylaws stayed the same. Because of the name change, the company's stock will start trading under a new ticker symbol on March 3rd, 2025. The ticker symbol is like a nickname for the stock on the stock market. The old symbol was FREY for the regular stock and FREYWS for the warrants, which are like options to buy the stock later. The new symbols will be T and TEWS. The CUSIP number, which is like an ID number for the stock, will stay the same. If you have old stock certificates with the old name on them, don't worry, they are still good until you get new ones. You can find copies of the official name change document and the updated bylaws attached to this report as exhibits. Exhibits are extra documents that give more details. The company also put out a press release on February 19th, 2025 to announce the name change. A press release is like a news announcement that companies use to tell the public about important things. You can find a copy of the press release as an exhibit attached to this report. This is where you can read the official announcement about the name change. So what does all this mean? Well, companies change their names for lots of reasons. Sometimes they want to signal a new direction, like when a company that used to make CDs starts focusing on streaming music. Other times they might want to distance themselves from a bad reputation or a failed product. In this case, FREYR Battery became T1 Energy. Was it to signal a change of direction? Was it to signal an event? Let's analyze. Looking at this situation broadly, the company's name change could be a sign of several things. Maybe they are trying to rebrand, create a new image. It is worth noting that companies in the energy industry are doing well. Maybe they are trying to ride that momentum. It's also possible they want to leave behind any negative associations with the old name. Now let's talk about some potential risks and opportunities for T1 Energy. The energy sector is known for its ups and downs, so the company will need to manage those price swings carefully. The company is betting big on this sector. Based on what we see here, it's tough to give a solid stock price prediction without more financial data. However, considering the industry trends and the company's rebranding efforts, a speculative target price range might be around $10 to $15. This assumes they can successfully execute their plans in the energy sector. In conclusion, T1 Energy's name change is an interesting move. While it's tough to say for sure without seeing the full financial picture, it seems like they are trying to position themselves for growth in the energy sector. I'm leaning towards a cautiously optimistic outlook. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts on T1 Energy. Do you think this name change will pay off? Let me know.